This plugin is the Jitter color, and if you watch the CFX color, then you can kind of apply the same theory to this. So what I have here is basically a scene setup, and instead of using subcontainers with a material, I have this time a series of cubes with a image map to it. And I'm going to need that because when we drag this jitter color down to affect our container here, it acts a little bit different than a regular material. Within our jitter color plugin, we can up our progress percentage to 100%. Now my default colors are blue and red. I can change these to whatever I want. If we wanted to start it there and go to red. The thing about this is that if you have a material on one of these cubes, it's going to override the setting within the jitter. So let me just change this to a completely different color, purple perhaps, so there's no confusion. Now we have this random green material on this color and it's not changing. But if we have a image or a material mapped or texture to our primitive, we get the shading. And we can still change here. Now you can see that it kind of stops, so if we increase this randomness, it will keep going. And again, the change is between your color values, so the more drastic the color value, the more you're going to notice it. We also have, again, like all the other plugins, in direction, so we can go from end, random, static, wave, center to center. Also the container order, we have a tree, horizontal, vertical, left and right. If I were to drag this plugin down onto the next container, nothing's going to happen. Even though it should be jittering, it's not. And the reason why is, again, because we have a material on it. So as I begin to take these materials off, you'll begin to see the jitter, but what we're losing is the shading. So these color materials, or this color jitter alpha, actually has no shading on the material. And in that case, that's why you may want to take a image or something like that and drag it down onto your object just so that you have some shading. So if I were to drop an image onto this, I could change it to reflection, and now I get that complete shading on this.